Right. Well, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are in the world. I'm Dr. Lakeisha McKnight. Some people call me Dr. Cousin, and I welcome you here to the Leadership TKO show. Welcome to the show, ladies and gents, network marketers, wealth builders. Glad to have you here on this beautiful Wednesday as we're live on Facebook, information being available also on YouTube, and as well as those of you on podcast platforms. I do welcome you to the show. So what we want to do is we want to make sure, as always, that you are able to see me, hear me clearly, depending on the platform that you are on. So let me go ahead and check a few things. And so listen, as you're coming on in, for those of you who are live with me in the comment section below, go ahead and let me know the city and the state where you are tuning in from. Drop it in the comment section below. And as I take a look at that particular area throughout the video, I definitely will acknowledge those of you who are here. So just to let you know, I'm going live right here from Chesapeake, Virginia. And if we have anybody that's new, I will let you know that the purpose of Leadership TKO is to empower men and women, network marketers, wealth builders, with the ability to win from the inside out, growing your influence, your impact, and your income. So as you are tuning in, let me know in the comment section if that's something you want to do. If you want to become more influential, perhaps you want to grow and establish passive income or create generational wealth, go ahead and let me know that that's something you want to do or that you're actually doing it already. So when we come together on Mondays and Wednesdays on Facebook at 6:30 p.m. Eastern, and when we provide this content, we have a goal in mind, especially on Wednesdays. Wednesdays is what I like to call wealth building or passive income Wednesdays. So we're going to be talking about money, but more specifically, we do have a topic at hand, and we're talking about unlocking financial freedom, generating passive income with cryptocurrency. That's what we're going to be talking about tonight. We're going to have a conversation about cryptocurrency. So go ahead in the comment section. Let me know if you're tracking. Type in the word crypto in the comment section. Cryptocurrency. It's the hot topic, right? And so, again, I do welcome you here to the show, to the video. For those of you who are just joining in, we live in a digital age. Okay, we live in a digital age, and many are turning to cryptocurrencies, not just as investments, but as a way to truly earn passive income and really achieve financial freedom. People are turning to it. So we're going to talk first tonight in this particular video. We're going to talk about passive income. What is it? That's the first thing we're going to talk about. What is passive income? Let me know what your thoughts are about passive income below. What do you think that it is? Passive income, according to what I believe, okay, is money earned with little to no effort, okay? Little to no effort on the part of the recipient. So if that's you, it doesn't really require much effort. It's the dream of earning while you sleep. That's really what it's all about. I like what Warren Buffett has quoted. He said, you got to learn how to make money while you sleep, or you will work until you die. So he really was saying, listen, you need to activate passive income, because if you don't, you're going to have to exchange hours for dollars until you pass on. That's a way of paraphrasing it. So unlike active income, where you trade time for money, passive income, okay, passive income systems actually work for you. Even when you're not actively involved, passive income will come in. You start one thing and it just continues to allow you to generate it. So now that we have a little bit of clarity on passive income, I believe it's very important to talk about some basics of cryptocurrency. So let's talk about that as well. Some basics, because at its core, a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of a currency. So it's not like the cash that you would get from a financial institution out there. All right. And it's secured by cryptography. Let me say it that way. Cryptography. I know it sounds like a big term. Okay. So you've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or maybe even Dogecoin. Some people call it Dogecoin, whatever it is, right? It's a coin. And these are just really a few examples of thousands of cryptocurrencies that are currently available. So I'm just letting you know there are thousands out there that people look into acquiring. Some people get the crypto and they just sit back and they hold it, just praying that it goes up in value. But there are many different ways to truly leverage crypto. And I may even drop in some resources for those of you on YouTube. I'll drop some resources in the comment section so that if you want to learn how to leverage crypto and truly redeploy your money so that it begins working for you, there's a powerful resource that you can access, and it will definitely help you to grow your money. So we talked about passive income and some basics of cryptocurrency, but what are ways to truly generate passive income with cryptocurrency? What are some ways that you can generate the passive income? See, one of the ways is called staking. If you're tracking with me on Facebook or YouTube or even on the podcast platforms, type in the word staking. I need you to type that in, staking. Staking is like a bank's fixed deposit, but for crypto. Okay, but for crypto, you hold and you lock your coins in a wallet. Okay, you're locking your coins and you're holding your coins in a wallet to really support the operations of a blockchain network. That's really what you're doing with staking. See, in return for you allowing it to be in that particular place, you're actually earning additional coins as rewards. That's what you're getting. So it really is a win-win as you help secure the network and get compensated for it. So you're securing the network because you're allowing your coins to be there. And as a result, you're being rewarded for it. You're going to be getting coins for it. So that's staking. But let's talk about another way to earn passive income through crypto. And that is what some people called yield farming. I know some of you are probably like, what, Dr. Lakeisha? Yield farming. Yes, I'm going to tell you more about it. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about it. Yield farming is a more advanced form of staking. That's really what it is. It's a more advanced form of staking. You know, here you provide liquidity to a platform. That's what you're doing. And you're earning rewards, often in the form of tokens. So you're getting rewards in the form of tokens with yield farming. And for some of you, it could be a relatively new concept. See, and while it can be lucrative, it's also complex, okay? And it can be a little risky. So always do your homework before diving in. That's yield farming. Now let's talk about another one, okay, that will give you some passive income with crypto. And that's what we call master nodes. Someone type in that word for me in the comment section, master nodes. Master nodes are really servers. They're servers that run a wallet, okay, and facilitating unique functions like instant transactions or private transactions is what I would like to call it. And so by running a master node, you can earn a substantial return on your money. You can earn a return on what your investment, if you want to call it that, right? However, setting up really requires a significant amount of specific coins, and you have to have some deal of technical knowledge unless you have someone set it up for you. So if you can have somebody set up a master node for you, it's even better. That way you don't have to worry about the technicalities of it. Okay. I personally, and some other people that I know, we have master nodes. Okay. And so it depends on the platform that you're connected to that you can actually get some set up. So those are master nodes. But let's talk about this final way that I'm going to mention tonight that's going to help you to have what we call passive income through the crypto space, and that's lending platforms. I don't really talk much about this, but lending platforms is an option out there. Crypto lending platforms, they really allow you to earn interest on your crypto holdings. Okay, you can earn interest on your crypto holdings just like a traditional bank's savings account. Okay, so there are many platforms out there that offer attractive rates, but it really is essential to understand. You got to get educated on this. You want to understand the terms and any associated risk with some of these platforms. You really need to do your homework. I am connected to a platform that allows me to get what we call meta certificates. Some of you may have some of these meta certificates. And so they give us rewards periodically, every 7 days, monthly, quarterly, depending on what you decide to do. And so we get rewards. And some of us live off of those rewards. We can actually turn those rewards into passive income. And so for those of you who are tuning in, it could be very lucrative. Some of these certificates, you can designate a certificate for a responsibility that you have, whether it's a mortgage or rent or whatever it is that you got to take care of. You can designate certificates to cover an expense. So that is definitely an option. So more information for those of you who are on YouTube, more information about certificates will be placed in the comment section below. Those of you on Facebook, listen, you can reach out to me via Facebook Messenger. And so information can be sent to you that way. So those are just several ways to gain passive income from crypto. But I do want to talk a little bit about the risk involved. It's very important because cryptocurrencies can be volatile. Now, while there's potential for high rewards, it's a lot of potential, there's also risk of significant loss. So I'm going to be honest and transparent with you. Always be wary of too good to be true type of things. There are many people who are out there to try to get you for your money. So you really want to connect and have a conversation with people who are talking with you about cryptocurrency. Have a conversation, gain understanding, become educated, okay? Very important that you do that. Now, best practices. I got to hit on this for a second. So before diving into any investment, any crypto, listen, research is something you want to look at. When I say research, connect with the people who are a part of the company or program. Don't go consult Father Google, meaning don't go just rushing to Google. Google doesn't have 100% facts. Some people who are just random people are publishing stuff on the internet that's not true. So you need to go make sure these are credible sources that you're confiding in before you make a final decision. Very important that you do that. See, the crypto space is evolving. Yes, we're in this digital era. It's evolving. So you want to stay informed, connect with people who are very educated in the space so that you can make the best decisions for you and your family. So here's what I really want to say to wrap it all up. Cryptocurrency really does offer a world of opportunity. So if you're looking for opportunity, it's definitely viable. And so it offers a world of opportunities to those looking, if you're looking to achieve financial freedom through passive income. See, while the potential rewards are enticing, always approach it with an education mindset. You want to get the education you need. You want to arm yourself with the knowledge so that you can make the right type of decision for yourself and your family. So for those of you on YouTube, if you found this video and the content to be helpful, please like the video, share it out, and subscribe so that you can gain more content. You can know when I upload more content to the channel. Now, if you're here on Facebook, if you enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up. Love the video as well. And for those of you on podcast platforms, you can do the same thing. So listen, my time is up. I will let you know that more great content will be coming your way every Monday and Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time live on Facebook and uploaded by 8 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. Thank you so very much for being here, everyone. And if you're on Facebook, you can subscribe over on the channel as well by simply going to lakeishatv.com. Okay, lakeishatv.com is where you can go. Thank you so very much for each and every one of you tuning into the show. I will be back definitely on Monday with more fresh content. Be blessed. And remember, until the next time that you and we come together, I'm encouraging you to think, to speak, and to live leadership. Good night to each and every one of you, and God bless.